Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. So today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment 33 and 34. Among two congruent angles, one has measure of 70 degrees. Then measure of the other angle is also 70 degrees. Why? Both the angles are congruent angles. So both are equal. Second one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and the AB equal to 7 centimeters. Then DE also the same value. Why? So the congruence is there, that is 7 centimeters. So 3. So triangle ABC is congruence to triangle DEF, then angle B equal to 90 and angle E also 90. So both are congruence, both are equal. DEF is similar to triangle PQR and B is equal to 60 and F is equal to 80 and DF is equal to 5 centimeters. Then also PR also 5 centimeters only. So fifth one. So here given diagram, EB value which is equal to DB, EA value which is equal to BC. So both are equal. Both are equal. Both the triangles are equal. Then the which congruence it is? That is the right hand side congruence criterion. Now sixth one. So here sixth one. In the following picture, the equal angles in the two triangles are shown. Our triangles are congruent. So this is the question. So now, so here two triangles are there. So triangle ABD, triangle ABD, triangle ACD. So triangle ABD, triangle ACD given. Okay. Now in the question given, angle BAD is congruent to angle CAD. Okay. And next, angle ADB is congruent to angle ADC. Okay. So this is given in the question. So this is also given in the question. So now what should we find means common side. So common side is both the triangles having the common side AD. So AD is congruent to AD. Okay, so this is the common side. Okay, common side. So this is which criterion? So here side, here so angle side criterion. Okay. So now seventh one. So what is seventh one? So in this question, see what happened. So seventh solution. So what is seventh solution means? Here given in this triangle, two triangles. So here arcs are there. So that means angles. So now verify. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle triangle BCD. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle BCD. Now verify. So angle ABC is equal to angle BCB is equal to 100. So why it is given in the question? So congruent. So A equal to 30, B equal to 50, C equal to 50, D equal to 30. So here angles like that given. So why here 100 means this angle and this angle must be equal. So that's why I am taking 50 plus 50 which is equal to 100. So now, so triangle ABC, that means angle equal to 180 minus of angle A plus angle C. So here we need to find angle B. So which is included these two. Okay. So 180 minus of angle A well 30 plus 50. So 180 minus 80 which is equal to 100. So angle B equal to 100. So here we can find the angle B. So now we can see in angle C. So it is also come from 100. So the same similarity triangle BCD. So we need to find angle C which is including these two. So that is 180 minus of angle B plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D. So 180, so 80, so which is equal to 100. So both are equal. Now, eighth one. See, eighth solution. So, what is the given question? Eighth one. So, in eighth one, having the two conditions. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle BAD. Okay, second one is triangle ABC is similar to triangle BAD. Okay, so now we can verify. So here three pair of angles are equal. So here three pair of angles are equal. So here triangle ABC and so angle ABC is equal to angle BAD is equal to 90. So why these two angles are right angle triangles? That's why I am taking 90. Okay. So in this question AC equal to BD. So this is given. So in this question AC equal to BD given. So AB equal to BA. So this one common side. So this is common side. So automatically triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. So this is which congruency means RHS congruency. So right hand side congruency. Okay. So the statement one is true. Okay. Now ninth one. So ninth question is so here 70, here 60, here 6.5 centimeters. here 60, here 70, here 6.5. Okay. So now verify whether it is correct or wrong. So in this to SAS criterion. This one is SAS criterion. So two sides and one angle. Okay. Two sides, one angle criterion. So this one. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So here AB value, AB side which is equal to PR side. Why? These two are same measurement, that is 6.5 measurement. Okay. So angle ABC is equal to angle RPQ is equal to 70. See here angle B, here angle B. So both are equal angles. So now angle ACB is equal to angle PQR which is equal to 60. Okay. The revision assignment completed.